Okay, some more proofs and proofs by definition. Let's write this down here. I'm going to write a proposition here. This proposition says, for all sets like A, B, and C, if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C complement, then you can definitely conclude that intersection between A and C is empty. Here we have a proposition, and we're going to try to prove this by using definition. Proof by definition. Well, let's see. We know that A is included in B, and B is a subset of C complement. So we want to prove that the intersection is empty, or A and C are disjoint sets. Okay. Nothing in common between A and C. So if this is your A, then there is no intersection with C. The intersection is empty, two separate sets. Okay, how do I prove this? The intersection is equal to empty. In this case, let us try to prove by contradiction. So suppose not. And let us apply the technique that we learned before. Proof by contradiction. So suppose not. And A intersection C is not empty. So let's see. A intersection C is not empty. What's the meaning of that? There is an element like X in the intersection. So you have an element like X that belongs to A intersection C. So what's the meaning of that? It means that X belongs to A and X belongs to C. Very good. So let's see what can go wrong. Since X belongs to A, and by the assumption A is a subset of B, X lands in B as well. So, since by the assumption A is a subset of B, so X belongs to B as well. Keep this. X belongs to B and X belongs to C. Okay. Take a look at this. The assumption says, hey, X is a subset of the complement of C. By the assumption we also know that B is a subset of the complement of C. So it means that X belongs to the complement of C. By definition, if X is in complement, X is not in set C. Do you see the contradiction? The contradiction is X belongs to C and X is not in C. This is the contradiction. So our conclusion is since we reached to a contradiction, so this assumption that A intersection C is not empty is false. Is false. So A intersection C must be empty. It doesn't have any other choice. And we're done with the proof.